Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my saltfish fritters. So over here I have all my ingredients that I'm going to be working with today. I already chopped up my bell peppers, my onion, my spring onion, and I have some scotch bonnet peppers over here and some chopped up tomatoes. And I was soaking the saltfish for like 3 hours, but I'm going to boil it a little bit for like 10 minutes. Okay, guys? So come over here in the pot. I already put on the pot and my water is boiling. So it's ready for the saltfish. Alright, guys, so I'm going to let it boil for 10 minutes and then I'm going to come back and show you the next process. It's been 10 minutes now since my saltfish is boiling. So I'm going to turn off the fire and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drain this water off, and then I'm going to take the saltfish apart and show you the next step, okay? Guys, so I'm putting it in this cold water to like cool it down for a little bit because it's very hot. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and strip the saltfish. Oh gosh, it's hot. It is so hot. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and guys, sorry for the noise in the background. They're doing some renovation in my building downstairs and they are very loud. My landlord has a big mouth. And I know when you see this video because he watched my videos, so I know when you see this video he's gonna be like, oh boy, she not easy, not star, watch her. That's exactly what he's going to say, guys. Alright, so I'm taking off the skin from the saltfish, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to take out all the bones and rip the saltfish apart. Alright, so I'm just removing the bones and I'm just taking the saltfish apart. It's still a little bit hot, but I can deal with that. Okay, guys, so this is the saltfish all picked up and everything like that. So just watch what I'm gonna do next. Alright, I'm gonna season my fish. Okay, and this is Mrs. Dash. Everyone knows it has no salt in it. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little over my fish, and I'm also using a Sazon over my fish. Okay, so now that my fish is seasoned, I'm gonna push this to the side, and I'm gonna come up with my flour now. Okay, so I'm gonna add half tablespoon of baking powder in my flour. Alright, and I'm gonna add just a little pinch of salt, and I'm using pink salt. So I'm just gonna add just a little pinch of salt. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, alright. Okay guys, so after I add the baking powder and the pinch of salt to my flour, I'm gonna combine it together. Mixing process. Okay. So good already, and it not even cooked yet. Okay guys, so this is the mixture. Look at it. It's not too loose, it's not too tight. The texture is perfect. Perfect. Okay, so I will be using coconut oil to fry my fritters. Alright, so I already have the stove on, so I'm gonna put the oil in the frying pan. So I'm gonna wait for the oil to get hot, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I think my oil is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop these in. Okay, so I'm going to turn down my fire a little bit, like medium, and I'm going to fry my fritters until it is golden brown. I'm going to fry it on each side until it is golden brown. Okay? Okay guys, I am going to turn these fritters now. Okay guys, so I'm gonna remove these fritters from the pot because they're finished, and then I'm gonna add some more. And guys, if you're still here with me in this video and you reached this far, please remember to thumbs me up, share me out, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Alright, and thank you so much for your support. Look at those. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some more to my pot. Turn up my fire a little bit more, and then I'll turn it back down. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let these fry on both sides until they're golden brown. So I'm gonna give them around 3 minutes the most on each side. Okay. Okay guys, so these batch are finished, so I'm gonna remove them. guys. And look at these lovely fritters, saltfish fritters. Okay guys, I'm gonna flip these on the other side. These fritters coming out so lovely. The color is so pretty. So nice. And it smells so good over. Okay guys, so this is the last batch. So the next time you see me guys, I'm gonna plate it and show it to you on a plate. Look at this. So I have to plate it. Wow, look at that guys. And come back and show it to you on a plate. Alright, I will be back guys. So look at the finishing look at my saltfish fritters. Look at this plate guys. Look how pretty these are looking, and trust me, they taste good. And I'm gonna taste one on camera for you guys and let you know how it is tasting. But just take a good look guys. So pretty, well put together, and trust me, delicious, delicious, delicious. My kids always love when I make these for them. Look at that. Oh my god, that's pure love right there guys. Pure love. When you're cooking, you gotta cook with love. Lots of love, lots of love. Alright guys, so I'm gonna taste one of these lovely, lovely saltfish fritters for you. Okay. Very nice, tasty, full of flavor. It's not hard and it's not dry on the inside, as you can see for yourselves. Tastes good. For the ingredients for my lovely saltfish fritters, I'm going to put the link down below in the description so you guys can check it out. Make it at home, make it for your kids, make it for the whole family. Please do remember to check out my Facebook page, Carla's Kitchen. The link is going to be in the description also. Check out my website, carlaskitchencc.com. Check out my Pinterest page. All my links, I'm going to put them down below in the description, guys. Remember to do good, walk good, and good will always follow you. Okay, be kind to yourselves so you can be kind to others. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share me out. Tell a friend to tell another friend about Carla's Kitchen. Okay, guys, thank you so much for supporting. And I want to shout out to Love Ice. Thank you so much for that lovely strawberry that you sent me. I received it and I loved it. Thank you so much. Blessings to you. Big up yourself, Vanity Star TV. Lots of love to you. And to my friend, Teacher P. Big up yourself always. You're so supportive and I love you. Continue to push out your good content. Continue to do good. Continue in your good spirit. Guys, check her out. For all of those persons who don't have Teacher P Downer and who don't have Vanity Star TV, check them out, guys. Give them your love. Two beautiful souls. Valentine, big up yourself. I'm going to try to get your name right. But big up yourself. To all my lovely supporters, guys, I thank you so much. And lots of blessings, lots of love to you guys. Remember, share me out. And guys, I hope you enjoy this lovely video. See you again in another video. Take another look, guys. I'm gonna see you. Bye, guys.